In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make scrolling and credits in Capcut. This is a finished product. I'll show you what it looks like. I'll make this script from scratch. So let me delete this script and make sure to import the black background first. And once you drag it down to the timeline, add text onto this script and paste the text of your creator and credit generated by ChatGPT. So I paste it here like this and adjust the size. And let me delete this part first. Next, click on the text and go up to the animation and click on it and select loop and find scroll text, scroll up text. Unfortunately, it's a paid feature. Click on scroll up. See, as you can see, it's way too fast. So in this case, you can change the speed of this animation by using this slider like this. However, it's still way too fast. So in that case, drag this edge of the clip and then stretch it out. Also, extend the length of the text up to where you want it to be, like this. So it gets slowed down. But sometimes it's still too fast. It's depending on the length of the text and the length of the clip. So if it's still too fast, navigate to the export button and click on it and export this clip first. And then import this clip again. So let me delete this track for now. And then import the clip that you exported right now. But it's still way too fast. So in that case, select the clip and go up to the speed and adjust the speed a little bit, slow down, like maybe in this case 0.3. Let me take a look at this one. Yeah, it's a good speed. And please be aware, this is a scrolling text, and once it's scroll all the way up to the text, so it repeats the same text again. So you have to cut where the text finish. It's here. Remember, cut the clip and delete the rest of the clip. So let's check it out. Yeah, it looks perfect. Yeah, there you have it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give me a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for